Guys, we're at Hanging Rock this morning. Beautiful place. Oh, this is some amazing country, Hanging Rock. Absolutely stunning. And then down to the cavernous area below.
Look, I see Miranda.
Here's another interesting spot. This is Morgan's Blood Waterfall. Oh, it seems to go on forever. Okay guys, this is incredible. We're at Anti-Gravity Hill near Wood End, which is just near we've come from.
From Hanging Rock. Yep.
Now I'm going to do something here. I don't know whether you're going to believe it, but this is what's going to happen. I'm going to put the car into neutral. Sorry, switch the camera around. So we're just going to put the car into neutral. So we're in neutral.
Foot off the brake.
Go take the foot off the brake and watch what happens. It's supposed to roll uphill. What the hell?
Maybe. And that's the hill. It's not a big hill, but it's going up, and that's going down, and that's weird. it's yeah.
Well, hi guys. What do you think of Anti-Gravity Hill? It is an amazing sight. It is an optical illusion, so you can actually roll like a tennis ball up the hill or a bottle. I've seen that done, and it's pretty amazing. We actually found out about Anti-Gravity Hill by just talking to some of the locals, so it's always good to have a bit of a chat before you go out. Now, Anti-Gravity Hill, its location is, well, not far from Hanging Rock. It's actually Straws Lane in Haskett. You can't really miss it, but you just got to keep your eyes open for it. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, well worth a look. So if you're ever up that way, have a look at that. Now we actually were staying at Lancefield, which is in the Shire of Macedon, or in the Macedon Ranges, which was a really nice place to stay. unfortunately I didn't take my GoPro with me, so all the footage that you've seen has just been done off my phone, so sorry about that, guys. It wasn't going to be a segment that we were going to do, but after seeing Anti-Gravity Hill and the breathtaking sights of Mount Macedon, I'm sorry, but I had to take a few shots, so all done on my camera, all done on my camera phone, so I do apologise for that. But Hanging Rock, that's another amazing place. It was a geological formation or a volcano, and that's how that was all formed. And also they did do a film there many years ago. I don't know whether you people have seen it, but it was called Picnic at Hanging Rock, and the author was Joan Lindsay. And she wrote that book in 1967, and then later on Peter Weir, the film director, made a movie of it in December 1999, again called Picnic at Hanging Rock. But look, the geological formations up there, oh wow, it's just incredible. The walk from the car park up through the kiosk and then up the hill, it's not a bad walk, it's pretty easy. I think most people could do it. And then if you want to get a bit adventurous, you can actually climb over the rocks and things like that. But if you're going up that way, make sure you've got some good walking shoes, something that's pretty grippy, and then you shouldn't have any problems. But look, we had a great weekend, and as I said again, it wasn't going to be filmed, but we had to do it. So apologise again for my footage on my camera phone. Anyway, apart from that, we'd like to thank you for watching, and again, if you could hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the like button just so that we can get our numbers up. If there's anything else around the place, around Victoria especially, because that's where we're located at the moment, if there's anything that you think we could film or look at that might be interest to others, give us a few messages down there in the comments section, and we'll take a trip out and we'll see what we can find. So again, thank you for watching, thank you for being a part of our channel, because it's been a hell of a journey, but look, it's a lot of fun. So stay safe, look after one another on the roads, and we'll see you in the next episode. So from Oz Travelog, see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.